How to create two different YouTube channel under one Gmail. Okay, let's go. Already I create one channel under this email. Look, and it's a very new channel. So I want to create another channel in this Gmail account. Click the icon and go to settings. Option to create a new channel. Click here and choose the brand name like 2-minute Photoshop or press create. So this is the new channel. Now you customize as like previous one you customized. Suppose, for example, just example. Edit channel chart. And when you click here, you can see two different channel show. You want to go this channel, just click on this. Okay. This channel. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.